Okay, what's up, my YouTube channel? Don't know what to call my subscribers yet. I don't have any subscribers yet, but hey, it's Gucci, it's cool. We're making YouTube videos. What's good? Okay, so today I'm gonna be making fried dumplings. No, they're not handmade. I don't know how to make dumplings. All I know is how to put them in and fry them bitches. So I'll be right back. Boom. Today we're gonna be using Taipei pork pot stickers. Yes, I do call them dumplings, but pot stickers, same thing. You're supposed to boil these, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna fry them. This is what they look like. We're not reading instructions. We're getting oil, and we're getting a pan and we're frying them. They're gonna be delicious though. Mukbang is after this video. Oh, it's on the stove. Let me know if this headband looks stupid. You know what? It's okay, we don't have to use it. We're gonna put it on medium. Don't ever put no high with oil. Don't ever put high in oil. That's too hot, too hot. Oil gets hot itself. So we're gonna put it on the large element, aka just covers the whole thing. And we're gonna put it on 4. Right between 6 and 4, I'll say. So I'll put it like medium heat, you know? So we got this going. You wanna get this hot. You wanna get this hot. Perfect amount. And you want to get a good amount so that the pot stickers or dumplings, they have a doughy material, kind of, you could say. And once you put them on the oil, it like kind of sticks to the bottom of the pan, so you got to keep like pushing them off so it doesn't rip open the whole dumpling. Okay, now that the oil is in the pan, I'll come back to you guys later when I'm putting the dumplings in. Pretty much all I'm going to do is just fry the dumplings. Okay guys, a way I've learned to know if the oil is ready is to just run your hand through some water, make sure it's dripping, and then literally just flick it on it. And then if it's like bubbling and you hear that sound, that's good. But mine's a little too hot, so I had to turn it down. I put it back on too. So now we're just gonna start adding dumplings in. You see that? And I just open up the bag. There's dumplings in it. And this bag is lit because it comes with dumpling sauce. Dumpling sauce is delicious. I don't know what it is. I don't even know. It might be soy sauce. I don't know. It's a mixture of some deliciousness. Just know. So I had to take it off the thing because it's a little too hot. It's a little too hot. It's bubbling a little too much, you know, if you know what I mean. If you know what I mean. Kind of just holding on to these ones because that's hella fucking hot. Yes, I have made these before if y'all are asking. Okay, we're doing good. We're doing good. It's not as bad. It's not as bad. This is still very hot. Okay, we're gonna use these little tongs. Chicken. I like mine like fried. Like I like mine golden brown. And right now I have the heat on 2, which is right next to simmer, very low. First I just wanted to get the oil hot, and now it's just, you know, chilling out. It's bubbling. It's bubbling. Ooh, I'm excited to eat these bad boys. Hopefully I'll make another like food tutorial, but I'll actually make it from scratch. I'm just being lazy because I'm hungry. And I'm on break right now, so I took off work to stay with my dad because I prefer them a bit crispy biscuity. Cooking with Kaylee. I don't know how to do like a, what's it called? A thumbnail. Like, I don't know how to cook. Frozen food. I hope the title's not misleading. I'm just gonna put how to make dumplings. Like frozen. I'm just gonna turn it on the other side right now because just so it can cook. Even though the other side's not done quite yet. Ah! So I just flipped them. They all look like this now. So guys, we're gonna check the other side. Like I said, move it around because when it first sticks, it'll get stuck. And make sure you keep it on like low. Right now mine is on 2. Just make sure you do that. And then I'm gonna get a plate ready for me to eat it. I know it looks stupid, but I have a paper plate here and I'm gonna put a towel on it to absorb all the oil once I take it off the pan. So you're just gonna wanna get a regular, and then when you're done, make sure you keep moving it though. And I'm just turning this off because it's a little too hot for me. I don't like when it like splashes out. It kind of scares me. Gets me paranoid. And then honestly, oh shit. I'm thinking they're about good. So I'm just gonna start placing them onto the towel. Okay, and then I'm just gonna let these little babies sit. I don't season them or anything because I don't know how to like really season Asian food. Like it's not, you can't really compare it to American. It's just not the same. Is this Asian? I think it is. I don't know. Okay, YouTube. I have some fried dumplings, and then the sauce that came with it. I don't know if you guys watched the cooking part or just skip to the mukbang. Sometimes I just skip to the mukbang, but here it is for you guys. And I'm just gonna dig in. It's kind of hot still. Yeah, it's really hot still. So I'm just gonna dip in. I'm gonna lean back, sit back. And there's a hair in this, but I think it's probably mine, so I'm still eating it. Still eating it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but delicious. So, I'm Kaylee. I kind of talked about myself in my last video about when I was doing makeup. I don't know. I like doing makeup. I love mukbangs. I just love lots of Asian stuff. Honestly, like, I don't know why, but I want to go to Korea so bad because I hear about their food and I watch like the street food so much. Like street food Korean mukbangs, and it literally looks delicious. Like, I just want to try something new. I like trying new things and shit, you know. I'll be right back. I have to go get a drink. Anyways, we're just gonna drink this. We're just gonna drink this. Isn't that satisfying? Alright guys, back to the mukbang. Comment below if it's mukbang or mukbang. Like if it's mukbang, put M-O-O-K. Even though I know that's not the right way to say it, but just like sound it out for me. So I just want to know, mukbang or mukbang? I say mukbang. I like dumplings because it's like little blankets. They're just little blankets of goodness. Like, you know, pigs in a blanket. It's like that. Like this is, I know this is like pork sausage right here. And then some herbs or something, I don't know. But this, it's like a little pig in a blanket. A fried one too. I love anything fried. Especially breaded. Breaded and fried. Count me in. Count me in, sus. So, I don't really know what kind of YouTube videos to make. I like a variety of stuff, so I'm just going to post all of it. If y'all like it, cool. Like, subscribe, that'd be cool, you know, don't have to. That'd be lit. And, I don't know, maybe I can, like, do different challenges and, like, Q&A or something. I know I talk about myself a lot, but I don't know, it's my channel. What else am I going to talk about? That's good, y'all. That's some good dumplings. Dip it in the sauce. Dip it in the sauce. You gotta dip it in the sauce. Like I said, sorry about my Russian nails. I've been off work because it's like winter break, so I didn't feel like working. You know, the hustle be real. It's nice, winter break, just chilling. And I don't have money to get no nails done. Like, I have a savings, but girl, that's my savings. That's me. That's for bigger and better things. Investments. Because I'm just 17 with a whole lot of money. Hop up out the coop. Tell me if you don't like me, why worry about what I do? Because bitch, y'all fly other than y'all do. Comment below if you're not wrong. And I will be looking at the comments because I have no followers. So I really don't think nobody's going to comment. But if you comment hate, bitch, do I care? Do I even care? I already know my flaws. I'm my biggest critic. So what can you really say to me? What can you really say to me? What can you tell me that I don't already know? That's all I gotta say. They taste good, but I'm tired. I woke up early because I was excited to like film new videos and see if I like them or whatever. Because I did makeup yesterday, and I did a mukbang yesterday, but I didn't post it. I didn't film my makeup though, and my makeup looked really nice. So I thought maybe I could like do a makeup tutorial today. So I got up early and I did. But that's it. Peace out. Oh, excuse me. Just kidding, I'm back, y'all. I want to say a quick shout out to my inspirations. Mommy Tang, Honey Eats, Stephanie So, Peggy Neo, Chunky But Funky, Eat with Chunky, Yes Boo You, and Dorothy, this Korean woman. She doesn't talk in English, I don't think, because all her videos she talks in Korean. I'm pretty sure she's Korean. Okay, sorry if I'm wrong, but I like your videos too, Dorothy. And I hope you all like my video. Let me know whatever you want to let me know in the comments down below. Hey, I'm just kidding.